Looks good, right? That looks full size for sure.
Yeah, this could be full size.
Yeah. Alright. There we go. Get the wing over a little bit. And then let it bounce. Yes. That's one wheel.
That's a proper one.
I'm here on this gorgeous but somewhat sweltering summer's evening to bring you something, I've already brought you before, but with a difference. I'm going to sit down. It's very relaxed here this evening, so I'm going to be relaxed too. You see the SuperCub behind me. This is the BUSA USA 3rd scale SuperCub. Now it had two gas engines in actually. It had a Rotomax 50cc and then it had a EME 70cc. Rotomax not so good, EME was running great. Both had noise issues at the beautiful club that I fly at here. So I did the obvious thing after lots of trying and I went electric. This now has a Rotomax 50cc electric motor, Turnigy. It runs on two 6S LiPos 5000s and it's got a sample 160 HV speed controller. The cells, they go, I'll show you here. The cells go just under the cockpit here, or the dash there, and it probably weighs about the same as it did before. Flying with more power. Don't really need to go into too many details because you've already seen the video on my channel of this model when it was with its original power system. The idea with this, I just want to give you guys a flight overview of my 3rd scale Cub, now electrified. Electrified? That's the word. Alright, time to get on with it, so enjoy the flight of my 3rd scale Cub, 12S powered.
Gorgeous.
Got quite a three-pointer of course, but there's the light, you see it? Alright, so here we go. Electrified 3rd scale Cub, as I said. Forgot to mention, this is a Engel, German made, 3-blade, super quiet it's called, super silent prop. It was for the gas engine, but it cost me so much and it looked so good, I decided to use it because it matched perfectly with the electric motor on this electric setup too. I know it's a 3-blade on the SuperCub, but some of them have it. I like it, so that's all it really matters.
That's a great prop. We pronounce it Engel.
Engel. Right, okay.
Engel.
It's full carbon. It looks the part.
Sounds great.
It's an aluminium 3-blade spinner. Oh, and the big bouncy wheels. It didn't have big wheels before. Now it's got big wheels.
Massive
Adds
wheels.
a little bit of weight, but you know, big and bouncy. Everybody likes that. So there's no wind, but I will taxi for a nice long takeoff, and I'm going to go stand over there. I'm going to taxi for takeoff.
Flinke snelheid en ik heb wel heel veel dat je rollen mag. Ja, dat heeft nou eenmaal effecten. Je moet nooit 100% wegkrijgen. En als je nou recht omhoog gaat.
Alright, so I don't really want to talk much, I just want to try and relax and enjoy the flight, and I'll give you guys an impression of how it goes with electric. Alright. Sorted. Alright, taking off. Let the tail come up. That's half hour. Away she goes. Half hour. Alright, anyway, I'm going to be quiet, so I just want to enjoy it. How does it look on camera?
Could be a real one.
Yeah, I know, right? Apart from the teddy bear in there. I got to say, big thanks to my mother-in-law, Mama. She's my Finnish in-law, and she did a beautiful teddy bear for me for my birthday, and it's now the pilot. These 3rd scale pilots are expensive. Teddy bears are not.
This is way cuter anyway.
Looks good?
Love it.
So anyway, this is all on half power. Now that it's electric, what I didn't have before is some power to, not spare, but I didn't have some power in reserve. I do now. This is the speed it was flying at full throttle before. Now it's half throttle electric. A little LED key in the front there too. Does fly very, very nice. All right, so look, I couldn't do that before. I didn't have that kind of power. Stall turn there. I mean, it's big, but it flies just like any other Cub, really. Full power now. And I'll come around this way. I'll do a full power pass. Ready?
Ready?
Okay. Here we go. It's too fast for a SuperCub.
That's actually pretty quick.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it really pulls.
A bit of a racy sound. But I've got to remember, it's a relatively old airframe, and the SuperCub, this BUSA USA one, doesn't have a wing joining spar through the centre section, so I was always a bit dubious. So I'm just going to take it easy. Anyway, let's do some touch and goes. It's a big Cub, it's got big bouncy wheels. Look at that. It's very nice, right? Really happy with this stuff. Right, what I've really found is fun to do with this, as with most Cubs, but it does it really nicely, is one-wheel touch and goes.
I was just going to mention that.
Andres likes a bit of one-wheeled, so let's crank it over a little bit of opposite rudder. Yeah, that was one wheel the whole time.
Lovely.
I'm going to do it this way because there is no wind. Don't really need my sunglasses now. I'm losing my depth perception a little bit. Touch and go from the left. Looks good, right? That looks full size for sure.
Yeah, this could be full size.
Yeah. Alright. There we go. Get the wing over a little bit. And then let it bounce. Yes. That's one wheel.
That's
flutter.
a proper one.
Lovely. Hey, we got flaps. When this was built, it didn't have a great amount of reflection, but I'll show you full flaps. See if you can slow it. Touch and go from the right.
Maar goed, als je zegt ik maak niks, 15% hoger.
Not much deflection. Apply the power. Flaps off, away she goes. Now one thing I will show you, which I couldn't ever show you before, I can now loop. I couldn't do that before. Ready? You good on camera?
Yes, please.
Okay, loop. Not something I really want to do much. I just want to show you that it can do it. Even roll. I don't know if Teddy Bear's going to like it. I think I put some rubber bands on him. Let's see what he can do. You ready?
Ready?
Okay. Whoa. It does it, but I don't like doing it. I think that's enough. I'm just going to do Cub style flying. This is what you want to do, right? Look at this.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
3.5. Look at this. I'm flying it. What's our field like? 200.
Field is 150 by 100.
And I'm flying it almost in the area of the field.
Yeah, we're not even pushing it to do so. It just does it.
Yeah,
It wants it.
I do like it. It's a pain in the ass to assemble, like at the field, like 30 or 40 minutes. But it is really relaxing. Alright, anyway, let's bring it in for a landing. We've given the impression, haven't we?
How long do you reckon you can fly it on these batteries?
I think around 7 or 8 minutes. I'm going to slide.
Oh, that's a proper flight.
Don't overshoot too much. Well, now I'm going to go around. Wow.
See, that's what you needed excess power for.
That's where you need electric. When I was running it on gas, I had an engine cut on me the first time I flew it, just as I apply power like that. That does knock your confidence a bit. Right, just 2 flaps this time. Slow down a bit more. Drop it in a bit. Kick the rudder in. All rudder here. See if I can bleed off some of that speed. Now this way, bit of power. Stall, bit of power. That's looking nice. Yeah, not quite a 3-pointer, of course, but there's the light. Can you see it?
Yep.
Yeah, so I think I probably get around 8 or 9 minutes on those 5,000 packs. So there it is, third scow, electrified BUSA USA Cub. If flying, well, beautifully. Hope you enjoyed the video. There will be some videos of some sort on my personal channel at some point. Well, not some point soon, at some point. But for now, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Leave comments below. Always appreciate reading those, and I'll see you again at some point soon.